Hello everyone, welcome to our show Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. In our kitchen today, we're gonna make something very simple, easy and delicious for you. So before we start, as you know the format of our show, we always try to make something traditional and something very easy and simple which you can easily try at your home and you can cook something very good and nice. In our Zaiqa World's menu today, there's two dishes as always, and you're gonna think where the name come from. The first of all, we're gonna make chicken teppanyaki, and the dessert we're gonna make for you today is the carrot and custard pudding. So before we start our cooking, as we always say and suggest you to and request you, please do wash your hand, clean your surface and then start cooking. So we're not gonna waste any time here. Let's introduce you with the ingredients of chicken teppanyaki and also with the carrot and custard pudding. So first of all, for the chicken recipe we need nearly 1 kg chicken. So the chicken strips should be like 2 inches long and half an inch is gonna be thin, so you can see the size of it. So that's specially prepared for our recipe. And plus we need some of the spices. First of all, we need salt. I got the crushed black pepper. We got the garlic, few of the cloves of garlic we need to chop them, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Here I got soya sauce, some water, cooking oil for cooking, and for veggies we need onions, carrots, cabbage and capsicum and spring onions. So this is the ingredients for our chicken teppanyaki. And for our dessert, which is carrots and custard pudding, we need the carrots. Here I got the nearly half kg carrots which is already grated. We need some condensed milk, half cup of it, raw milk to mix the custard powder in it. We got sugar and we got pistachio which is finely chopped. Here we got the vanilla custard powder, nearly 3 tablespoons, and some almond which is already chopped and prepared to use. So let's get started with our cooking. And I got nearly 1 kg or 1 liter milk in my pot already. So I'm gonna put the flame on and get started with our cooking. Okay, in this raw milk, I'm just gonna add 5 tablespoons of sugar and let it boil itself. As it's gonna have a quick boil, we're gonna add our carrots inside, and meanwhile we will do our chopping for our chicken teppanyaki. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you like too much sweet, then you can add more sugar in it, but if you are diet conscious and you like less sweet, then you can reduce the amount of the sugar we added in. So I'm gonna cover my pot, let it have a quick boil, and meanwhile I will do the chopping. Here I got the garlic cloves, so I'm gonna chop them. There are 5 of them. So be careful while you're chopping. Just gonna give a cut in the middle, probably 2, 3. Okay, and now simply gonna chop them. What you can do, you can add in the crushed one. The actual recipe is talking about is all ingredients should be chopped properly. So if you feel like that, use chopped garlic. Some people say, oh, it's come in the mouth and you feel the bad taste of it, so you can just add the crushed one, but I prefer the chopped one for this according to the taste and the requirement of the recipe. So I'm chopping the garlic, very simple and easy. That's what I'm gonna do with my other clove as well. Chop them a bit more from the middle, and you can choose the quantity of your garlic according to your desire. You can reduce it, you can increase it. Like if you like more garlicky taste, you can increase the quantity of garlic in it. Okay, so in our kitchen we try to teach you in the best of our ability. If you feel like you wanna ask something which we do cook before as well, but you couldn't get the recipe, you can go to our Zaiqa World page and you can get the whole recipe from there. So just like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can get the recipes from there as well, because everything whatever we do in our kitchen is already saved in YouTube. So these are the instructions I'm giving you while I was chopping my garlic. You can see I did julienne cutting of it, and now just gonna have a quick glance on my milk because I left it for boiling and it's not boiled yet. So let's get started with our chicken. In this pan I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, just that much will be enough. Let it heat itself, then we're gonna add our garlic in it, which we chopped before, and meanwhile I will get my carrots. We're gonna chop them as well. I'm gonna do julienne chopping for these ingredients because that's the requirement of our recipe. Just gonna wait for the oil will be slightly heat up. Meanwhile we will chop our carrots. So it's very easy, just make thin layers of your carrots like that. And these are the Pakistani carrots, so that's why they're so red and colorful. You can buy them from any grocery shop, easily available. Otherwise, you know the carrots we got in Europe, they're a bit orangish, so the pure red color. So very easy and very thin. As you know, the motto of our show is always try to guide and cook something which we can make it very easy and simple for you, so you can note it down and you can cook on your weekends, during your day, during your weekdays. It's entirely up to you. And recipes we always plan, which is very simple and easy. So I'm chopping my carrots. We nearly need 1 cup of carrots here. Okay, my cooking oil is slightly heat up, so that's the time when we're gonna add in our chopped garlic in it. Now we're gonna slightly fry our garlic and then we're gonna add in our chicken. So give a stir to our garlic, and now at this stage, as garlic is slightly fried and it's changing its color, so we're gonna add in our chicken, and we're gonna fry our chicken with the garlic. Okay, we're gonna let it fry itself. As the chicken gonna change its color, we will add in our spices in it. Okay, meanwhile I will chop my carrots because we don't want to waste any time. We want to utilize the time of our recipe in a very good way. Okay, as I always suggest you, whatever we cook in our kitchen, you could do the variations into the recipe. Like I'm adding just carrots and cabbage and capsicum and spring onion and simple onions, but you can add other veggies as well, whatever you feel like it. Like you can use the sprouts in it. If you like the taste of the sprouts, you can add in. Just going to give a quick stir to our chicken. I'm just gonna have a glance to our milk as well. It's slightly heat up, so I'm gonna add in my carrots. They are nearly half kg of carrots, which is washed and grated, ready to use. I'm gonna give a stir to my carrots and milk. Now we're gonna let it cook until the carrot's gonna be soft enough. Okay viewers, here's the time for a very short break, so don't go anywhere. We will be right back. Keep watching Zaiqa World only on TV 99.
चिकन टिपनयाकी अज्जा। चिकन 1 किलो बोनलेस, लहसुन 3 खाने के चम्मच चॉप किया हुआ, कुटी हुई काली मिर्च 2 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, गर्म पानी 1/4 कप, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, गाजर 1 कप बारीक कुटी हुई, प्याज 1 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, बंद गोभी 1 कप बारीक कुटी हुई, नमक 1 चाय का चमचा, मक्खन 2 खाने के चम्मच, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, हरी प्याज गार्निश के लिए। चिकन टिपनयाकी बनाने के लिए फ्राइंग पैन में तेल गरम करके लहसुन सुनहरी कर लें। इसमें मुर्गी 1 खाने का चमचा काली मिर्च, सोया सॉस और नमक मिलाकर मुर्गी के गलने तक पकाएं और फिर निकाल कर रख दें। इसी फ्राइंग पैन में शिमला मिर्च, गाजर, प्याज, बंद गोभी, पानी, काले मिर्च, मक्खन और नमक मिलाकर चंद मिनट तक पकाएं। अब इसमें मुर्गी मिलाएं और 2 से 3 मिनट तक दम दे दें। अब हरी प्याज से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। चिकन टिपनयाकी तैयार है। Chicken teppanyaki ingredients: chicken 1 kg boneless, garlic 3 tablespoon, black pepper 2 tablespoon crushed, soya sauce 4 tablespoon, hot water 1/4 cup, capsicum 2 finely chopped, carrot 1 cup finely chopped, onion 1 finely chopped, cabbage 1 cup finely chopped, salt 1 teaspoon, butter 2 tablespoon, oil 4 tablespoon, spring onions for garnishing. Cooking directions: heat oil in a frying pan, fry garlic golden, added chicken, 1 tablespoon black pepper, soya sauce and salt. Cook till chicken becomes tender, remove and keep aside. Cook capsicum, carrot, onions, cabbage, water, remaining black pepper, butter and salt in same frying pan for few minutes. Added chicken, mix well and steam them for 2-3 minutes. Now garnish with spring onions and chicken teppanyaki is ready to serve. कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग अज्जा। गाजर आधा किलो कद्दूकश की हुई, चीनी 1 कप, दूध 1 लीटर, कंडेंस्ड मिल्क आधा टिन, वनीला कस्टर्ड पाउडर 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, बादाम कटे हुए 2 खाने के चम्मच, पिस्ते कटे हुए 2 खाने के चम्मच। कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग बनाने के लिए 1 लीटर दूध में से थोड़े से दूध को निकाल कर एक तरफ रख दें। गाजरों को धोकर छील लें और कद्दूकश कर लें। अब एक देगची में बाकी का दूध, चीनी और गाजर डालकर पकने के लिए रख दें। जब चीनी हल हो जाए तो थोड़े से ठंडे दूध में वनीला कस्टर्ड पाउडर घोलकर दूध वाली देचकी में डाल दें और चम्मच चलाते रहें। जब वो गाढ़ा होने लगी तो बादाम और पिस्ते डालकर ठंडा कर लें। इसके बाद कंडेंस्ड मिल्क शामिल कर लें। आखिर में बादाम और पिस्ते से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स: कैरेट ½ kg, शुगर 1 cup, fresh milk 1 liter, condensed milk ½ tin, vanilla custards 2 or 3 tablespoon, almonds 2 tablespoon chopped, pistachios 2 tablespoon chopped. Cooking directions: take out some milk to mix custard powder and keep aside. Grate carrots and add it in remaining fresh milk and sugar. Let it cook. When the sugar dissolves, then add it in custard powder in the cold milk and put it in the pan. Keep stirring the pan. When the mixture thickens, add in chopped almonds and pistachios and let it cool. Add condensed milk. Now serve in a bowl and garnish with almonds and pistachios.
Welcome back after a very short break. You are watching Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. In our kitchen today we are making for you the chicken teppanyaki and our dessert gonna be carrots and custard pudding. Before we went for a very short break, we was frying our chicken. As you can see, the chicken slightly changed its color. So we're gonna start adding our spices in it. And for our custard, carrots and custard pudding, what we did, we boiled our milk, added 5 tablespoons of sugar, and when it's slightly boiled, we added our carrots in it. As you can see, now we're gonna let it simmer as the carrots gonna be softened. Then we're gonna add in our other ingredients. So at this stage, in my chicken, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of crushed black, 1.5 tablespoon of crushed black pepper. I like hot and spicy food, but if you like mild one, then you can reduce the amount of your spices, as I always say. Just going to stir it. Okay viewers, now we mixed our black pepper and our chicken and it's frying itself. Now we're gonna add in salt. So I will add in half a teaspoon because we're gonna add in soya sauce as well, so I don't want it too salty. So half a teaspoon of salt, just gonna stir it again. And always try to use less salt because it is helpful, because as much salt you eat, it will give a bad impact to your body nowadays. All doctors, GPs suggesting to reduce the amount of salt in our everyday eating, so that's why I will suggest you as well. So we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of soya sauce in this. One more, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. And now just gonna mix it so it will cook in its own water. Meanwhile we will do chopping of our veggies. I'm just gonna cover my pot. Okay, now we're gonna have a quick glance on our carrots. They're slightly boiling on a very slow flame because I want my both recipes to be ready together. Get back to our chopping now. We was chopping carrots, then we're gonna chop some cabbage, some capsicum for our chicken today. Okay, just like that. Put them on top each other and then just finely chop. It's how easy the julienne cutting. So in our recipe, in both of recipes, we using carrots. So the carrots are very healthy option in salads and in all our eating products because they help you to increase the red blood cell. They're very good in salads as well, help you to reduce the weight. So you should include these veggies in your daily routine, as we always talk about on your healthy life. Okay, because I just remember now, because one of my fan, she's living in Birmingham and she was very worried about her blackheads, and she said to me, do say my name when you're giving us the remedy, because she really wants to know it's about her problem. Her name is Shaista, and she said to me, because she's too worried, is all her face is covering with the blackheads. So give her a very good tip or remedy about this. So what I'm gonna say to you, Shaista, don't worry. What you need to do, just get a tomato, which we use every day in our cooking. Just put the tomato in the freezer, freeze it well. When it's frozen, just gonna take it out from the freezer and start rubbing on your face. I know it's gonna be too cold. You probably think, oh, what's rubbish is that? No, it will really help you to removing the blackheads from your face. It will remove the blackheads and try to close the pores as well, because the tomato got the quality of it. It will help to tighten and close your pores. I'm just stirring my chicken. As you can see, the water is showing, so I'm gonna let it cook in its own water, and then we will prepare the chopping. So Shaista, do try my remedy which I given you today for your blackheads. What you need to do, just need to have a simple tomato and just put in the freezer. Do 2 halves of it and just put in the freezer of 1 tomato, and as it's going to be frozen enough, then you're going to take it out straight away, start massaging in circulation everywhere where you feel the blackheads. So it will help to take out the blackheads from your skin, plus also it will help to close the pores which is wide open. So it's giving you 2 benefits. Do let us know if it's worked for you, otherwise we give you another remedy for this. Okay, we are chopping our carrots. Carrots are nearly done. Okay, that much carrot is more than enough. Nearly 1 cup of carrots we done now. I'm gonna just give a quick stir to my chicken, which is simmering nicely in this pot. Okay, just gonna have a quick glance on my milk as well. It's cooking as well nicely, and you can see how it is. It's gone pink because of the carrots. It's not any food color in it, it's just fresh carrots, and the milk changes color. It's turning pink. I'm just gonna give a quick stir, close it and let it boil itself. And now I'm gonna chop my capsicum. Okay, we're gonna do the julienne cutting for these as well. I'm just gonna cut from the middle so we can remove the seeds, because we're not gonna use seed in our recipe today. Okay, so okay, you can make your recipe more colorful. So use one green one, the capsicum, and another one is red or yellow. So because they are easy, colorful, available in the supermarket, you can choose the colors. It's up to you, entirely you, how you wanna make your recipe more eye appealing, you know, as I always say. So just gonna do the julienne chopping for these. Very easy and simple. So nearly 1 cup of these we need. The capsicum as well. Capsicum are very good. You can use them as a salad as well. So they are also very helpful to reduce your weight. So I always try to let you know all these ingredients, which is helpful for reducing weight. And plus, in my previous show, I told you guys about one of the herbal tea, which is helpful for losing weight. I will repeat the ingredients for that as well in my today's show. So all these guys who didn't note it down, they can note it down for themselves. And now I'm just going to give a quick stir to my chicken. As you can see, the water is evaporating and oil is start showing. Probably another 5 minutes. Then we're going to remove our chicken from this pot and we're going to start adding our veggies. So for your weight loss, the herbal tea I told you last time is that get nearly 2 cups of water. Put the water in the pan, the water which is drinkable, yeah, which is clean water. Just put in the pan, let it boil. As the water gonna get a quick boil, add 2 or 3 cinnamon sticks in it, and an inch of fresh ginger, and make the 2 pieces out of it from 1 inch piece of the ginger, and just let it boil until the half water left. Then just let it cool down, remove it from the flame, as it's going to be lukewarm of your water. So what you're going to do, you're going to add in 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of honey as you feel like it. If you are diabetic, don't add honey, and half a lemon juice. If the lemon is big, just you're gonna use, okay, so half a lemon juice. Just use the fresh lemon juice. Don't buy from any supermarket that's prepared juice which is available in the bottles. So you can see our milk is boiled again. So okay, as you can see, the chicken is fried now. So we're gonna I'm gonna close the flame, and I'm gonna remove my chicken from this pot. Okay viewers, here is the time for a very short break while we're gonna remove our chicken from the oil. So don't go anywhere, we will be right back after a short break. Keep watching Zaiqa World, only on TV 99.
चिकन टिप्पणियाकी अज्जा। चिकन 1 किलो बोनलेस, लहसुन 3 खाने के चम्मच चॉप किया हुआ, कुटी हुई काली मिर्च 2 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, गर्म पानी 1/4 कप, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, गाजर 1 कप बारीक कुटी हुई, प्याज 1 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, बंद गोभी 1 कप बारीक कुटी हुई, नमक 1 चाय का चमचा, मक्खन 2 खाने के चम्मच, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, हरी प्याज गार्निश के लिए। चिकन टिप्पणयाकी बनाने के लिए फ्राइंग पैन में तेल गरम करके लहसुन सुनहरी कर लें। इसमें मुर्गी 1 खाने का चमचा काली मिर्च, सोया सॉस और नमक मिलाकर मुर्गी के गलने तक पकाएं और फिर निकाल कर रख दें। इसी फ्राइंग पैन में शिमला मिर्च, गाजर, प्याज, बंद गोभी, पानी, काले मिर्च, मक्खन और नमक मिलाकर चंद मिनट तक पकाएं। अब इसमें मुर्गी मिलाएं और 2 से 3 मिनट तक दम दे दें। अब हरी प्याज से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। चिकन टिप्पणयाकी तैयार है। Chicken teppanyaki ingredients: chicken 1 kg boneless, garlic 3 tablespoon, black pepper 2 tablespoon crushed, soya sauce 4 tablespoon, hot water 1/4 cup, capsicum 2 finely chopped, carrot 1 cup finely chopped, onion 1 finely chopped, cabbage 1 cup finely chopped, salt 1 teaspoon, butter 2 tablespoon, oil 4 tablespoon, spring onions for garnishing. Cooking directions: heat oil in a frying pan, fry garlic golden, added chicken, 1 tablespoon black pepper, soya sauce and salt. Cook till chicken becomes tender, remove and keep aside. Cook capsicum, carrot, onions, cabbage, water, remaining black pepper, butter and salt in same frying pan for few minutes. Added chicken, mix well and steam them for 2-3 minutes. Now garnish with spring onions and chicken teppanyaki is ready to serve. कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग अज्जा: गाजर आधा किलो कद्दूकश की हुई, चीनी 1 कप, दूध 1 लीटर, कंडेंस्ड मिल्क आधा टिन, वनीला कस्टर्ड पाउडर 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, बादाम कटे हुए 2 खाने के चम्मच, पिस्ते कटे हुए 2 खाने के चम्मच। कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग बनाने के लिए 1 लीटर दूध में से थोड़े से दूध को निकाल कर एक तरफ रख दें। गाजरों को धोकर छील लें और कद्दूकश कर लें। अब एक देगची में बाकी का दूध, चीनी और गाजर डालकर पकने के लिए रख दें। जब चीनी हल हो जाए तो थोड़े से ठंडे दूध में वनीला कस्टर्ड पाउडर घोलकर दूध वाली देचकी में डाल दें और चम्मच चलाते रहें। जब वो गाढ़ा होने लगी तो बादाम और पिस्ते डालकर ठंडा कर लें। इसके बाद कंडेंस्ड मिल्क शामिल कर लें। आखिर में बादाम और पिस्ते से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स: कैरेट ½ kg, sugar 1 cup, fresh milk 1 liter, condensed milk ½ tin, vanilla custards 2 or 3 tablespoon, almonds 2 tablespoon chopped, pistachios 2 tablespoon chopped. Cooking directions: take out some milk to mix custard powder and keep aside. Grate carrots and add it in remaining fresh milk and sugar. Let it cook. When the sugar dissolves, then add it in custard powder in the cold milk and put it in the pan. Keep stirring the pan. When the mixture thickens, add in chopped almonds and pistachios and let it cool. Add condensed milk. Now serve in a bowl and garnish with almonds and pistachios.
Welcome back after a very short break. You are watching Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. In our kitchen today, we are making chicken teppanyaki. In dessert, we're going to make carrot and custard pudding. So at the moment, I'm removing my chicken from the oil which we fried earlier on. So we're going to quickly remove our chicken. And we're going to keep the chicken on the side. We're going to quickly chop our cabbage and then we're going to start the cooking of other ingredients. Meanwhile, I will give a quick stir to my carrots and milk. Okay, at this stage I'm gonna add in my almonds and pistachio in it so they can be softened itself as well. So here I got the chopped pistachios, so I'm gonna add half of them, few we're gonna keep for garnishing. And here I got some chopped almonds, so I'm gonna add them in to just gonna give a stir. we're gonna let it simmer on the very low flame so it can be thickened a bit. Then we will add our custard powder in it. So meanwhile, I will quickly chop my onions. I got 2 medium size of onions. Okay, gonna do the julienne chopping of these as well. All the chopping in today's recipe is all julienne cutting, so all right. Now it's done. So now we're gonna put the flame underneath the same pan where we remove our chicken. So now I'm gonna add in my onions, which I chopped just now, 2 medium size of onions. As they're gonna slightly fry, then we're gonna add our rest of the veggies in it. Okay. I'm going to give a stir. Here I got the cabbage. So 1 cup of cabbage we need for our recipe today. Okay. I'm gonna give a stir. As the onions gonna slightly change their color, we will add in our carrots and let them fry too. So I'm just gonna quickly chop my cabbage. Everything, whatever we're chopping for our chicken teppanyaki today, is all julienne chopping, as I told you before as well. Plus the cabbage is very good for losing weight as well. You can make cabbage, what you can say, soup and drink it. Add cabbage in your salads whenever you feel like anything, munching anything. Use some dry fruit like almonds, Brazilian nut. They are very healthy option and good for your weight loss. So these are the tips we are giving you and telling you some remedies for your healthy life. Meanwhile, I'm stirring my onions. I'm just gonna give a stir to my carrots as well. Okay, so as you can see, the onions slightly change their color. Now at this stage, I'm gonna add in my carrots. Look how colorful my cutting board is, because I'm using all these colorful veggies in it. And my capsicum too. And my cabbage. All the veggies are gone into my pan. Just gonna give a stir. Okay. So now we're gonna add in our crushed black pepper, half a tablespoon of that. And here is some salt, a little bit salt to taste. And here I got the soya sauce. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce in it. Just gonna stir them. You can see how colorful it is and very simple. In this recipe, it takes longer time to chop the veggies and prepare the ingredients. And cooking time is very, what you can say, very easy and simple. It's like 10 to 15 minutes to cook your food. It just takes like 20 minutes to prepare your food. So just giving a stir to my veggies. And now here I got the butter, non-salted butter, easily available from any supermarket. Just gonna add in, I'll take 2 tablespoons of butter into my recipe now. It's smelling really nice. I can feel the smell of capsicum and it's smelling really nice. Now we added in the butter as well. Just gonna have a quick glance to my carrots and milk. You can see the carrot soften itself. So just gonna give a quick stir to that. Okay, if you want your veggies to be too soft, then you can fry more, but I like them crunchy. So it's now time to add in our chicken, which is fried earlier on. Okay, and just gonna give a stir, and then we're gonna steam our chicken for 5 minutes, and then it's gonna be ready to serve. How quick and easy our today's recipe, both of them. Okay, just gonna cover my pot and just gonna lower the flame so it can be just steamed for 5 minutes. As you can see the steam is coming out, and just gonna stir my milk and carrots. And now here I got the vanilla custard powder. Okay viewers, so here I got the custard powder and some raw milk. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix my custard powder in the raw milk, and then we're gonna add in our carrot and milk, which is boiling. So always mix in the cold milk. This is nearly 2 to 3 tablespoons of custard. I got the vanilla flavor. You can choose the flavor according to your taste and desire. So just gonna mix it nicely. And just gonna give a quick stir to my chicken. You can see how colorful and it's smelling really nice. I can't wait to eat my today's recipe. Okay, I'm just gonna cover it and let it steam for another 2 minutes. So meanwhile, I will just mix my custard powder into raw milk. Okay, as we're gonna add in our mixture of the custard into our boiling milk, we need to carry on stirring it. So it will mix equally as you mix the corn flour in any of the recipe. So just gonna remove the lid, put it on the side, and now slowly pour in the custard mixture and carry on stirring. Okay. Okay viewers, just gonna cook it for another 4-5 minutes. As you can see, it's gone thicker now. So a little bit more thicker, and then we're gonna let it cool down and serve it. So here is the time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back after a short break. Keep watching Zaiqa World, only on TV 99.
चिकन टिपनयाकी अज्जा। चिकन 1 किलो बोनलेस, लहसुन 3 खाने के चम्मच चॉप किया हुआ, कुटी हुई काली मिर्च 2 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, गर्म पानी 1/4 कप, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, गाजर 1 कप बारीक कुटी हुई, प्याज 1 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, बंद गोभी 1 कप बारीक कुटी हुई, नमक 1 चाय का चमचा, मक्खन 2 खाने के चम्मच, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, हरी प्याज गार्निश के लिए। चिकन टिपनयाकी बनाने के लिए फ्राइंग पैन में तेल गरम करके लहसुन सुनहरी कर लें। इसमें मुर्गी, 1 खाने का चमचा काली मिर्च, सोया सॉस और नमक मिलाकर मुर्गी के गलने तक पकाएं और फिर निकाल कर रख दें। इसी फ्राइंग पैन में शिमला मिर्च, गाजर, प्याज, बंद गोभी, पानी, काले मिर्च, मक्खन और नमक मिलाकर चंद मिनट तक पकाएं। अब इसमें मुर्गी मिलाएं और 2 से 3 मिनट तक दम दे दें। अब हरी प्याज से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। चिकन टेप्पanyaki तैयार है। Chicken teppanyaki ingredients: chicken 1 kg boneless, garlic 3 tablespoon, black pepper 2 tablespoon crushed, soya sauce 4 tablespoon, hot water 1/4 cup, capsicum 2 finely chopped, carrot 1 cup finely chopped, onion 1 finely chopped, cabbage 1 cup finely chopped, salt 1 teaspoon, butter 2 tablespoon, oil 4 tablespoon, spring onions for garnishing. Cooking directions: heat oil in a frying pan, fry garlic golden, added chicken, 1 tablespoon black pepper, soya sauce and salt. Cook till chicken becomes tender, remove and keep aside. Cook capsicum, carrot, onions, cabbage, water, remaining black pepper, butter and salt in same frying pan for few minutes. Added chicken, mix well and steam them for 2-3 minutes. Now garnish with spring onions and chicken teppanyaki is ready to serve. कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग अज्जा: गाजर आधा किलो कद्दूकश की हुई, चीनी 1 कप, दूध 1 लीटर, कंडेंस्ड मिल्क आधा टिन, वनीला कस्टर्ड पाउडर 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, बादाम कटे हुए 2 खाने के चम्मच, पिस्ते कटे हुए 2 खाने के चम्मच। कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग बनाने के लिए 1 लीटर दूध में से थोड़े से दूध को निकाल कर एक तरफ रख दें। गाजरों को धोकर छील लें और कद्दूकश कर लें। अब एक देगची में बाकी का दूध, चीनी और गाजर डालकर पकने के लिए रख दें। जब चीनी हल हो जाए तो थोड़े से ठंडे दूध में वनीला कस्टर्ड पाउडर घोलकर दूध वाली देचकी में डाल दें और चम्मच चलाते रहें। जब वो गाढ़ा होने लगी तो बादाम और पिस्ते डालकर ठंडा कर लें। इसके बाद कंडेंस्ड मिल्क शामिल कर लें। आखिर में बादाम और पिस्ते से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। Carrot and custard pudding ingredients: carrot ½ kg, sugar 1 cup, fresh milk 1 liter, condensed milk ½ tin, vanilla custards 2 or 3 tablespoon, almonds 2 tablespoon chopped, pistachios 2 tablespoon chopped. Cooking directions: take out some milk to mix custard powder and keep aside. Grate carrots and add it in remaining fresh milk and sugar. Let it cook. When the sugar dissolves, then add it in custard powder in the cold milk and put it in the pan. Keep stirring the pan. When the mixture thickens, add in chopped almonds and pistachios and let it cool. Add condensed milk. Now serve in a bowl and garnish with almonds and pistachios.
Welcome back after a very short break. You're watching Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. In our kitchen today we are making for you the chicken teppanyaki, and our dessert is carrot and custard pudding, which is ready. As you can see, it's thick enough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close the flame and let it slightly cool down. Then we will add in our condensed milk. You can see how thick it is. Okay. Probably another 1 minute, and then I'm just gonna remove it from the flame. I'm just gonna close the flame. I'm just gonna give a quick stir to my chicken and veg, which is here. Okay, so and now I'm gonna close the flame under my carrot and custard pudding. Just gonna leave it open so it can slightly calm down, and then we're gonna serve it with condensed milk and our almond and pistachios. Meanwhile, I will chop my spring onions, which need to go into our chicken. Spring onions, I'm gonna cut it from the middle like this, and then just gonna slice it like that. So actually I am trying to do julienne chopping of my spring onion as well, which I just gonna add in now, and one of that we're gonna use it to garnish our chicken teppanyaki. So this is actually just gonna go in now. All right, just 1 spring onion and just quick stir to it. As you can see, the oil is start showing. That means it's signs to our dish gonna be ready soon. So I just gonna chop one spring onion for our garnishing. Okay, that's gonna be our garnishing, and this, remove the top, cut from the middle, and slice it like a julienne shape, and I will add that into my food because I don't want to waste any of my products. Okay, just gonna give a quick stir. Okay, it is ready now. So what I'm gonna do is switch the flame off, and now because my custard pudding is slightly calmed down, so I'm gonna add in, here is a half cup of condensed milk in it. Carry on mixing. Okay, just stir it. So we're gonna add the condensed milk when it's slightly calmed down and cold. So our carrots and custard pudding is ready to serve, and our chicken teppanyaki is ready to serve as well. So we're just gonna serve them now straight away. Okay viewers, our both recipe for today's show are ready to serve. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour it in. You can see my carrot and custard pudding, how nice it is. It's not only looking nice, plus it's gonna taste very nice as well. So because we use fresh carrots and milk and sugar, pistachio and almond, and it's ready. So just gonna pour it into my serving bowl. Okay, just gonna hold like that and pour it in. Okay, that's done. So I'm gonna garnish my sweet today with the pistachio and almonds, which is crushed. Okay, so crushed pistachio and almonds. Otherwise you can use any of the dry fruit, whatever you like some walnuts or some other thing you like, you can add those in. It's entirely up to you. So as I always say, try to do some variations in your recipe. Whatever you learn from us, do give us your feedback. This means a lot for us. And plus, do variations in our recipe, whatever we teach you. So that's done for now. Okay viewers, now it's time to serve our chicken dish. It's really tasty. I can smell it. Hopefully you're gonna try it and you will smell the smell of it, and you will definitely gonna imagine how I was feeling when I was cooking it, because it's not only looking nice, it's gonna be taste very nice as well. So I'm just gonna pour it in like this, a bit easier for me. Okay, that's done, and now I'm just gonna garnish it with my spring onions, just to give a bit color to my recipe. Okay, that's done for today. So I will just give you a very short recap of my both recipes. First of all, I will give you a recap for my chicken and teppanyaki. So what we need 1 kg chicken, which is boneless, and is the chicken strips actually 2 inches long and 1/2 inch is thin. So we need some soya sauce, salt, black pepper crushed, and we need garlic. Also we need butter, which is non-salted, some cooking oil for cooking, and in this recipe I use the veggies, which is capsicum, onions, spring onions, cabbage, and carrots. So what you need to do, you just need to add some oil, cooking oil in your pan, add some garlic in it, fry it until it's golden brown. Then you're gonna add your chicken in it, let it fry until the chicken changes color. it's going to be slightly brown, then you're going to start adding your spices in it. First of all, you're going to add your black pepper, which is crushed, then with salt according to your taste and desire. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, and you're going to stir it very well. So you're going to let the chicken, as the water going to come out from the chicken, so you're going to let it cook in its own water until the old water evaporated and the layer of oil will start showing. Then you're going to take the chicken out of your pan, and then you're going to start adding your veggies in the same cooking oil, stir them, add spices in it, like you're going to use crushed black pepper, little bit salt, soya sauce, and stir it very well as it's going to be slightly fried or slightly change their color. Then you're going to add the butter in, mix your fried chicken which you kept on the side before, just stir it very well, and your chicken teppanyaki is ready to serve. And for your carrots and custard pudding, I will give you a very short recap for that as well. We got nearly 1 kg of raw milk, so just gonna give a quick boil to our milk, add 5 tablespoons of sugar, and as it's gonna be stirred properly into the milk, you're gonna add your grated carrots in there, which is ½ kg, and then let it boil. As the carrot gonna be softened and the sugar gonna be dissolved into your milk properly, then you're gonna add your pistachio and almond. Boil it for another 5 minutes as they're gonna be softened enough. Then you're gonna mix your vanilla custard powder in raw milk and add the vanilla custard powder into your boiling milk and carrots, and just carry on stirring it. So your carrot and custard pudding is ready. So these are today's recipe. Do try our recipes at your home and do give us your feedback. It means a lot to us, and give us your comments not only on TV99 page but also on Zaiqa World page. You can write us on our Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter. So we are looking forward for your messages, and as I always say in each of my show, if you have a recipe and you want us to cook it for you, do send us, do not hesitate. We will definitely make the recipe for you and announce the person's name. And here is the time for us to say goodbye. So hopefully you enjoyed our show today. Do let us know. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Keep watching Zaiqa World only on TV99.
चिकन टिप्पणयाकी अज्जा। चिकन 1 किलो बोनलेस, लहसुन 3 खाने के चम्मच चॉप किया हुआ, कुटी हुई काली मिर्च 2 खाने के चम्मच, सोया सॉस 4 खाने के चम्मच, गर्म पानी चौथाई कप, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, गाजर 1 कप बारीक कुटी हुई, प्याज 1 अदद बारीक कुटी हुई, बंद गोभी 1 कप बारीक कुटी हुई, नमक 1 चाय का चमचा, मक्खन 2 खाने के चम्मच, तेल 4 खाने के चम्मच, हरी प्याज गार्निश के लिए। चिकन टिप्पणयाकी बनाने के लिए फ्राइंग पैन में तेल गरम करके लहसुन सुनहरी कर लें। इसमें मुर्गी 1 खाने का चमचा काली मिर्च, सोया सॉस और नमक मिलाकर मुर्गी के गलने तक पकाएं और फिर निकाल कर रख दें। इसी फ्राइंग पैन में शिमला मिर्च, गाजर, प्याज, बंद गोभी, पानी, काले मिर्च, मक्खन और नमक मिलाकर चंद मिनट तक पकाएं। अब इसमें मुर्गी मिलाएं और 2 से 3 मिनट तक दम दे दें। अब हरी प्याज से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। चिकन टिप्पणयाकी तैयार है। Chicken teppanyaki ingredients: chicken 1 kg boneless, garlic 3 tablespoon, black pepper 2 tablespoon crushed, soya sauce 4 tablespoon, hot water 1/4 cup, capsicum 2 finely chopped, carrot 1 cup finely chopped, onion 1 finely chopped, cabbage 1 cup finely chopped, salt 1 teaspoon, butter 2 tablespoon, oil 4 tablespoon, spring onions for garnishing. Cooking directions: heat oil in a frying pan, fry garlic golden, added chicken, 1 tablespoon black pepper, soya sauce and salt. Cook till chicken becomes tender, remove and keep aside. Cook capsicum, carrot, onions, cabbage, water, remaining black pepper, butter and salt in same frying pan for few minutes. Added chicken, mix well and steam them for 2-3 minutes. Now garnish with spring onions and chicken teppanyaki is ready to serve. कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग अज्जा। गाजर आधा किलो कद्दूकश की हुई, चीनी 1 कप, दूध 1 लीटर, कंडेंस्ड मिल्क आधा टिन, वनीला कस्टर्ड पाउडर 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, बादाम कटे हुए 2 खाने के चम्मच, पिस्ते कटे हुए 2 खाने के चम्मच। कैरेट एंड कस्टर्ड पुडिंग बनाने के लिए 1 लीटर दूध में से थोड़े से दूध को निकाल कर एक तरफ रख दें। गाजरों को धोकर छील लें और कद्दूकश कर लें। अब एक देगची में बाकी का दूध, चीनी और गाजर डालकर पकने के लिए रख दें। जब चीनी हल हो जाए तो थोड़े से ठंडे दूध में वनीला कस्टर्ड पाउडर घोलकर दूध वाली देचकी में डाल दें और चम्मच चलाते रहें। जब वो गाढ़ा होने लगी तो बादाम और पिस्ते डालकर ठंडा कर लें। इसके बाद कंडेंस्ड मिल्क शामिल कर लें। आखिर में बादाम और पिस्ते से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। Carrot and custard pudding. Ingredients: carrot ½ kg, sugar 1 cup, fresh milk 1 liter, condensed milk half tin, vanilla custards 2 or 3 tablespoons, almonds 2 tablespoons chopped, pistachios 2 tablespoons chopped. Cooking directions: take out some milk to mix custard powder and keep aside. Grate carrots and add it in remaining fresh milk and sugar. Let it cook. When the sugar dissolves, then add it in custard powder in the cold milk and put it in the pan. Keep stirring the pan. When the mixture thickens, add in chopped almonds and pistachios and let it cool. Add condensed milk. Now serve in a bowl and garnish with almonds and pistachios.